So here is the Essano Visible Repair Facial Elixir. Oh, I've seen that. Oh. Part of a treatment system. Nice powder. Inside is a dropper bottle. Made in New Zealand. Sweet. So what we've got is a nearly odorless, more like baby powder kind of smelling serum. It's basically a really light oil. Smells real nice. Just like baby powder or maybe a little bit of fragrance. Yeah, it's nice. It feels really nice. Like a soft powdery feel to it. It also feels hydrated. Cool. So we'll test this out and see how it goes. So there you go.